That's great. Anyone that has inspired you to be where you are today?
Just the fans and love of the fans, yeah? Grateful for the support that we get. And grateful for everybody who's involved. And I look forward for more, yeah? Yeah, and taking it to higher levels. Yeah?
May I represent for one Media Fox? Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock?
Man, you don't know Media Fox, you know. Yeah, man, you know what things said. People, you know, say a lot of vendetta fans. And even the apps them. Because you don't know, they watch Alkaline and everything. You see everything when they do, song them when put out. But no, we not wait for the album. But look at now, it's like this. You can't build a house without a foundation. The structure, if you make the house, they're there for 40, 50 years, even 100 years. You understand? Once you maintain it. So look at now. The app of a day, so the fans can get an easier access to whatever the artist are put out there. And whatever the artist put out where, you know, in fans them are going to support. You know, like merch, you understand, shows that come up, you know, new rules, songs, album, EP, all of these things. The latest. You understand? The app did it. If you as a fan, you just go download the app in a Google Play Store or Apple Store or whatever. You understand? So you can purchase whatever Alkaline have. Yeah. And it's a good look. It's a good structure. You know? And in the future, really are going to need this. You understand? Because, you know, technology, a lot of apps building out there. But, you know, it's like this. The dancehall industry, we don't really have a structure like a, you know, like a panel or an app or something where, you know, where there's a easy access to support the music, support whatever the artists have. You understand? Rather than you have to try find some venture or get something for the artist, you know. You just get whatever you want from the artist. If I support the music or merch, you get it in a one place, which is the app, the Alkaline app. You understand? And this gonna be a good thing for the artist brand, you know, the support and all these things, right? And it's a great move. And this show me say the brand is elevating. The structure, everything are fall into line to make the artist brand grow bigger. You understand? For making fans them feel more relevant. You know, you know, them can have an app where them can see everything we are going with them artists. Him song them, him album them. You know, you want to go listen to it and all of these things. You know, you just click it, download, you know. If anything you want to purchase, you know, maybe you have to add your card to it or, you know, who knows? I don't know apps there already. Support if you want to be a member. You know, something where you don't feel left out. You just know say, yo, anything I want to know about Alkaline, we just go into the app, scroll whatever new feeds or whatever the artists have for put out. If album for drop, everything there, merch for drop, new merch, you understand? New music video for drop, new song for drop, it's right there. You know, if you want to buy a bag of album, it there. You don't have to worry about, yo, you have to go over here, so you have to go over this, so bag of confusion, everything fall in line with the app. You understand? And this, I think this I got change the game. Trust me. This I got change the game. You see when the app you drop, it not go normal. It I go viral. Because it's something new. When you go up on an app and you say, yo, Alka app this, rate and you know when Alka release him album, imagine him fan base out there. I go what me and tell you this, man. The whole vendetta people them. You see when Alkaline drop him app, every whole vendetta fan them I go download it. Every time them a scroll past him phone, them say Alka app that, you know. Bam, click in there. If them want to listen them artists song them, click in there. You understand? It just I feel more connected to them for know say, yo, me not for go up on YouTube. Me not for go over here so. Me not for go up on Instagram. Everything in the app. You understand? Because the system in place to make sure say, yo, the fans have the latest information, the latest gadgets are merge are, you know, the latest update. This is a good look. Trust me. And I think we need more of them structure in a dancehall where it is a easy, get a easy access for really support the artists. You know, so more support can there so that the culture can get more, you know, bigger and more supportive and people can buy this and buy that. You understand? It's really a good look because we don't have that. We don't have that structure there for say, yo, if we want to get for sort out this are easier and somewhere even trusted. You know, because, you know, sometimes you use your private property like a card or whatever on certain, you know, website and, you know, some people might be skeptic and, yo, I'm not trust this, you know, credit card and every little thing. But when you have the app now, you more maybe feel comfortable for know say, yo, Alkaline are your artist and you can go in the app. You know, if you see one merge, you buy it. Or if you see the album and you get to buy the album, you just go in the Bam Bam Fast at the card and just buy the album. Artist support. You know, when album drop, you put it at #1. You know, because you don't know as a fan, you're going to want your artist always be the #1 artist. You understand? So him drop an album, when I try my best to buy it up, and it's easier that way, yeah, for know say, alright, the artist are happy now. I'm ready to buy my album. So look here now. Alkaline app. So I have to support it. You understand? I don't have to worry no more. If it's thing in there, we can support. It's what I try to say. So look here now. I know a lot of Vendetta fans. I know a lot of undercover fans for Vendetta. And, you know, the apps them same way. Yeah. Because sometimes they rate Alkaline, but they not afford come talk. But a lot of them are wait on the album. But we have to have the foundation. You understand? It's not always about music. It's all about structure. As me say, if you shield something, you have to build a border structure around it or under it. You understand? Where if you make sure say well secure. So look here now. The app of it did it. So you see when the album drop, you know? So when the album drop, everybody can go support it. You understand? Because I'm telling you now, a lot of people, them not know the way or have the guidance for support whatever artist them have. You understand? So when them have, remember you know, when you have your phone, either Samsung or iPhone, right? Your phone full up a different app. If on a Netflix app, Digicel app, whatever app. You can just click all bank account app. You just click going at way, this is that. You know, good. I same thing with this. You know, same thing with this. You want to support the artist? Yeah. So if you support the artist, it's an easier way. Because, you know, a lot of people out there where they maybe want, you know, them is a fan and them want to support them artists. Like, yo, fans out there, you know, it's just that some of them, the easier way, like, you know, seem like you have your Snapchat app, you know, your Instagram app, your TikTok app. It's just easy. You just can just click it and go in. You understand? And you do what you want to do. Same with the artist app. You have your favorite artist. Imagine you have all your phone. And you have your favorite artist. And you want to support him. Seeing? You have the app where you just can press one click without going to Google, without going to YouTube, without going to iTunes, without going to all these platforms. Where you have to make extra clicks and all of them little thing there. You know? It's just easy. It's just easy, people. So, when the app drop, I know so the Vendetta fan them I got excited. I tell you, the Vendetta people them I got excited. I tell you that. And maybe down the line you see other people are try it. You know? But you don't know. The Vendetta boss, he always set the trend. You know? a certain thing set, especially for the new youths then. You see it, so it would have look good. Yeah man, it would have look good. In a way if you know say yo. Especially if you're a top fan of an artist and you know say you have a phone with your artist app where you can support him if you want, or you know, if you have a little chump change on the side. I say, you know, say yo, I feel like I buy one of my artist song, you know. Yeah man, no emotions, key man. You know what? Feel like I buy one of the album, feel like I buy him EP, I feel like, you understand? Yeah. This is what the app they here for. Cause this we don't have this. We don't really have this ourselves really support, you know, especially in the local countries. You know, cause look here, certain things like, you know, certain things can't really go through when in a local country, like in a Jamaica, certain things you can't really do online, and you know, it's just difficult. But if you're overseas in the US now, all access. You see me? So imagine you have this app here now way. Just make everything easy. You don't have to worry you're gonna look for no all of the information, all of the thing them in the app. You understand? It would be a good look for the artist, you know, say yo, him fans them, you know say yo, Alkaline app, you know. Yeah man. So when this a launch, you see when the app here launch, rated people change not even know. This are gonna be a change of game in the music industry. May I tell you that? Because this are gonna be a new sensation. May I tell you that? It's a very new sensation, this. Yeah man, because yeah, pre-time I say, yo, when Alka drop it up, you know, imagine all them fans them download it. A problem. Yeah man, a problem. And when him drop all him album, I don't know normal. So imagine all when Alka, it crowd them with Alkaline a pull. You know, like some 12,500, some 10,000 people. You know, and more. Imagine that 10,000 people download the app. And when Alka drop in album, and it's so easy, and they know say yo them feel special because they want them have them artist app in them phone. And one click and put card and ready album buy. You understand? It easy. Cause this we not have that, we not have that machine, we not have that app, we not have certain things where the fans can, you know, easy if you just yo, when me go do this. Rather than I think about shit, what me I go do now, what me I go buy this, where. You just go in an app, and the app easily can have the option them, alright, album, and then you see maybe like buy under the album. It easy. You know, it easy. So you know say artist drop an album and the artist a promote it and say yo buy, and him say yo go to the app. And I know normal these people. Yeah man, it's a good thing. And you see sometimes people, you just need that one person if you do something. And you know, it could inspire the rest. You know? And that would have developed the culture same way. You know, cause if I have an app and for realize say, yo, not more people out there see what I go on and can even support it more. You know? Because look at now. Them buy app in them phone and them a scroll. Them always a click on different apps and thing, you know. You see me? So look at now. I say, oh, you know, Alkaline app. But when I go on it, so Alkaline pan theme page or whatever page, and them see that, or pan TikTok, and them say, yo, Alkaline drop an album, you know. And then team say, yo, go on the app, go buy the album. Rated. The 10,000 people they gone buy album. You understand? And then when you look, album gone at number 1. First week. Yeah, because why? Even that the people them feel special now. You know? Artists up in a phone. Easy. What I mean, them want to see them artists go number 1. You know, it's a good look with high sales and all of them little thing there. And this I go, you know, a lot of people are going to see this and say, yo, Alkaline doing this not normal, you know, dog. This really shows say man have a big fan base, you know. Man have a loyal fan base, you know. A supportive fan base, you know. Yeah, man. Me I tell you people. So trust me, it's a good look, people. It's a good look. The structure with them a build, it's good because you know, me I say yo, this good because if I download the app, I want to you have all the iPhone 17 and your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra and this your app ya, dip on it and you say what? Are your artist this? What you mean? Album a drop? Just press one click, bam, buy album. A sale that gone. You understand? So that's what I try to tell the people. This is a good look because look at now people. Remember, you know, I think Billboard take off the stream off of YouTube off of them thing. You understand? So this will cause a lot of problems. So, you know, the artists them have to kind of find a different strategy how to market them thing and get in the sales certain way to go through the channels that you understand? Cause remember say a YouTube more while give the high percentage of stream there, you know. Yeah man, YouTube play a good role in the Billboard thing and the the streaming thing. So look at now. When Billboard I think them do it already. So them take off the YouTube thing. So you know, the Spotify thing, sometimes some artists not really strong over the side there, you know. But you will see them a pull up all 1 million or 2 million views on YouTube. So soon after this, the artists them have to go try structure themselves. We try go through a different route how them fans can support them. So that can go up on them sales and them, you know, for the first week and all of them little thing there. You see me? Yeah, people. But it's a good look and I have to big up Alkaline and him team. You see me? Yeah. Big up Kerry. You see me? Big up Kimmy and the rest of the team them. You understand? And the man himself. You see, it's a good look and you know, what I love to see when this get a buzz and you know the people them see what I go on and you know, it can maybe help out other artists. You know, how to market themselves and you know, but people I don't know one media facts and I know I think said. Yeah man, that is it.